Hello, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me today. It is Monday the 28th of September today, and as I've been saying the last couple of weeks, I'm feeling so behind on things. I had a really busy weekend again and wasn't able to do any gardening or get on with anything. Today the weather is drizzling a bit, and I had planned that I was going to be getting some of my onion sets that I bought recently at the garden centre. I was going to be putting some of those up in my woodland garden. With my woodland garden, everything always seems to do so much better kind of over winter and early in the season, because it just gets so shady up there as all the trees spring into life. But the potatoes did do pretty well up there this year. But anyway, I was hoping to actually get some of those put into one of the raised beds up there, but then I remembered that earlier last week I mowed all the lawns everywhere, and I covered one of the beds completely in grass clippings and some leaves and stuff, because I thought I'd just leave it over winter, and that was the one that I wanted to plant some stuff in today. So I'm just giving up on that idea, and I've just been doing some tidying up and stuff. But I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show you how my Christmas potatoes were getting on. Quite a few people have been asking me how they're doing. A lot of people say theirs always get blight, so I thought I would give this opportunity to show you how they're getting on. So these are the Christmas potatoes that I'm growing in this really big pot here. These are Arran Pilot. They still seem to be clinging on to life. I don't know if they've got the early stages of looking like they've got blight, but they've been earthed up with grass clippings and seem to be getting on okay. I don't have a greenhouse that these are going to be going in, so as soon as they die back, that will be it, and we'll just have to see a little bit closer to Christmas how they do. But I'm optimistic that I'm going to get something at least. Let's have a look at the ones up in the woodland. And as you can see, here is the second lot of the Christmas potatoes, and these were a potato that I got from the supermarket, and the variety was called Orchestra. These seem to be doing so much better in the ground though. Obviously they're going to stop growing soon and die back, so I'm just hoping that they manage to get enough energy and produce me some lovely potatoes. I think only one or two haven't come up, and these have been earthed up with grass clippings, but the grass clippings on here were ones kind of from that area that was covered in leaves as well. So it's a really good mix of dried leaves and grass clippings, so I'm really hopeful these ones are going to do well. But again, they're out in the open, so who knows. So I'm terribly sorry it's not been a very interesting video, but so many of you had asked how my potatoes were getting on. I'm so glad that I've just been able to show you now. Let me know how they compare with your Christmas potatoes, and if you think that I'm going to be getting anything, because it's still, you know, a long way before Christmas, but it's going to get really cold soon. Also, I'm so excited. Any minute now I have a chimney sweep coming round to do both of our chimneys, and I can't wait because it's got so much cooler recently. I'm really looking forward to getting the log fires on later. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I am going to head off now, and if this is the first time you watch one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified of all of my latest videos. Thank you, and I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!